In today's guide video of TechTube, I'm going to show you how to change your Spotify password on your phone. Whether you're using your Android phone or your iPhone, you can follow along and successfully change your password. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into the video. Now before I begin, the thing that you need to know is that you cannot directly change your Spotify password within your phone. Through your phone, you can only reset it. So if you want to directly change your password, you'll need to use the desktop or your laptop and visit the website of Spotify. So if you want to do that, you can just tap on the settings icon that you see on the top right, and from the settings menu you can just scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll have an option called support. Tap on the support option and it's going to take you to a section or the website of spotify.support.com. You can also directly search this up on the search bar, and then you'll need to log into your account. So from this section you can just tap on account help, or if you see this section of quick help, you can also tap on this option called can't remember login details. But if this section is not showing up, you can tap on account help and you'll have can't remember login details. So tap on this option. And Spotify themselves have also added this short video showing you how you can reset your password. So from here you just need to scroll down and tap on reset your password. From here type in either your email address or the username of your Spotify and then tap on send. Now a password reset link will be sent to your email address. Open up your email first, and this email will be sent to your email as well. You just need to tap on reset password again, and it's going to take you to the section of creating a new password. So in the first box you can type in the new password and create the password, and in the second box you can again repeat it. Make sure that both of these passwords match, and the last thing that you need to do is just tap on send, and your password of Spotify will be successfully changed and reset. So that is the process of changing your Spotify password on your phone. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this.